3, 2, 1, let's go!
Halo friend, salam semangat sobat belajar, semoga hari kalian dan keluarga selalu sehat, bahagia dan sukses, amin. Oke friend, terima kasih telah setia untuk belajar dan menyimak video Kasep Kode. Kesempatan kali ini saya akan membagikan source kode sistem pengadaan barang dan framework kode Igniter 3, serta menggunakan PHP 7 ya friend. Coding ini mungkin bisa dimanfaatkan untuk menjadi referensi bagi teman-teman semuanya. Jika kalian ingin request silahkan tulis di komentar ya friend. Sebelum kita eksekusi codingnya, jika kalian mendownload coding dan database sistem ini dengan mudah, silahkan bayar dengan like, komen, dan subscribe. Terima kasih friend. Sebelum kita eksekusi, mari persiapkan kesabaran dan fokusnya ya friend, agar tidak ada salah pemahaman. Pertama, kalian download file source kode sistem ini pada link yang ada di deskripsi, password file RAR-nya ada di dalam video ya friend. Untuk kali ini password RAR codingnya akan muncul pada video ya friend. Simak terus jangan di skip 1 detik pun ya friend. Untuk password database-nya silahkan baca pada deskripsi video ini ya friend. Lanjut kita ekstrak file RAR tersebut ya friend. Setelah selesai silahkan kopas ke dalam folder header.docs. Jangan lupa kita aktifkan exam ya friend. Lanjut, kita akan coba panggil sistem melalui browser. Silahkan kalian panggil sesuai dengan nama folder sistem yang sudah kita kopas ke dalam header.docs. Oke, tampilan masih error ya friend. Hal ini dikarenakan belum ada database yang terkoneksi ke sistem ini. Kita pastikan terlebih dahulu untuk konfigurasi dan koneksi untuk sistem ini sudah sesuai ya friend. Oke, kemudian kita import database terlebih dahulu ya friend. Oke, buka tab baru lalu ketikkan localhost /php myadmin. Kemudian kita buat database dengan nama yang disesuaikan dengan koneksi pada file coding database, lalu lanjutkan proses import database yang sudah tersedia di dalam file database yang sudah kalian download sebelumnya. Lanjut kita akan coba reload. Apakah berhasil? Masih gagal ya friend. Lanjut akan kita coba edit bagian koneksi ke database melalui coding pada file database ya friend.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you
wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. after it, you got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Belajar.